I don't even know. I'll look at this later. Man, they sold that retest hard. God damn, they sold it hard. I guess they wasn't playing. Mm. They sold it hard on the ES, man. I kind of figured that they was gonna come back in and try to sell that damn retest like that. This is such a that is annoying, dude. God damn. All right, man. I mean, if they break below this structure, then I'm gonna have to get out of this. Mm. Yeah, they would have to hold this here, right here. They would have to hold that. All right. Mm. Damn, they sold that retest hard. And I kind of figured that they was going to do it because I saw it here on the ES and I was like, man, they're going to sell this shit. And boy, did they sell this damn thing. That was a whole 10-point drop right there. I think. Yeah, almost a 10-point drop. Now, if we can break above these highs on the ES and find support, we're going to 40. Same thing could be said here with the Nasdaq. If we can break above 855 and find support, then we can possibly see a retest of this high and possibly 960. But they're going to have to hold this. The bulls are going to have to hold because technically the market is in a downtrend. Technically speaking, is a downtrend. So they're definitely going to have to. That's not going to work. That's not going to work either. I mean, is that the trend right there? I guess I'll draw it like that for now. But they're definitely going to have to hold this, the bulls. I'm going to get out of it if I see a strong break below this. I'm getting out if I see a strong break below it. Mm. Actually, let me look at this and see. Mm. Huh. So we've been sleeping on footprint charts this whole time? Look at all that data. Look at that. Look at that data. It looks like these zones right here, looks like they're holding up. It looks like, yeah, look at that. Seems like when price comes into these little areas right here, we see, small little micro reactions in these areas. And it appears as like right here, when they came and sold the retest, you can see like you got trap buyers up here. You got trap buyers above this high, and they had to sell their way out of this position. And then you got trap sellers down here, and they had to buy themselves out of the position. Huh. So I've been sleeping on footprint charts this whole time, and this is all this is all the confirmation I need. It's all the confirmation I need right here. This is all the confirmation I need. Morning, Ivan. What's up? Oh, you traded the agent set? Oh, yeah. Yeah, we was able to get back in. So apparently we caught the top last night. Apparently, because that was the top for last night. It's looking like the bulls are going to want to try to retest, get back up into this range and try to retest it. We'll see what happens though. If we can get above it, if we can get above this little 885 on the Nasdaq, we can possibly see R4. I'm pretty sure we'll probably see R4 and possibly 960. It really depends. You see that they bought off the trend line. Don't ever let nobody tell you that geometry does not work on these charts, because they do. Found support off this trend channel, and now they're using it as support. Yeah, I took the profits last night. Yeah, I took the profits last night. I think I got stopped out of one runner. This actually might be, let me look at this real quick. If they're trying to take profits at VWAP, I think this is like the last thing that's in the way right now is VWAP. I mean, because you got the 21 or the 200, the 50, and the 21 below price right now. So, I mean, if we do get a dip, I'm going to make the assumption that the bulls are going to want to buy it. But this could be a strong high right here. This could be a strong high. We just definitely need to get a break above this high. Find support above it for sure. Hey, what's up, Black Axe? What's up? He said Bitcoin formed an inverse head and shoulder breakout. Let's look at Bitcoin. God damn, dude. Damn. 920, huh? So I guess, hold on. I guess my Bitcoin data must be wrong. Let me look at this on another chart. No, this thing says it's right. Okay, yeah, it's right. Okay, I'm tripping. Bitcoin futures is pumping. The bears might actually come back in and try to sell this. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to take I'm going to take this in the sim. I'm going to take this in the sim. I'm going to see if they come back in and try to sell this retest right here. And I'll probably get, yeah, probably have this probably like down here. And yeah, probably like right here. It's a decent stop. We'll see what happens here. We'll see. We'll see what happens. Mm-hmm. You said it also looks like a cup and handle? Yeah. Yeah, I wouldn't get comfortable in a Bitcoin short. That definitely will probably come back to this range and retest it. And then we might see a blast off. Hopefully we get some of this bullishness in this Nasdaq trade. Mm. It looks like they're like, mm. I guess what we don't want is for the bears to be successful here at this. We kind of want to see some trap bears here at this retest. I mean, you got some trap buyers right now above these highs. You got some, they're trapped. Hopefully we can see some buyers and they can push through this, because we all know if the ES ain't going to do it, the Nasdaq's not going to do it either. And that's the sucky thing about having instruments that are correlated with each other. Or I guess a double-edged sword. You kind of have to look at both instruments to make sure that the position you're in is golden. Because the ES needs to get above this high. We need to see a breakout. We need to see some trap sellers, and they need to break out above this little structure line right here. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, it does appear that, I mean, the EMAs are kind of sloping up. So that kind of gives me hope for the bulls here on the ES. But I mean, we got a double top. They came back into an area of support. The bears took their profits, and now it seems like the bears are trying to reload back here at this little breaker structure right here. They're trying to sell this retest. Right there. All right. Okay, and this is on the Nasdaq. So you said a single print came in at 855. Point of control. Single print were filled with excesses between 808. Okay, so yeah, somewhere in this area. Okay, yeah. Okay, yeah. Control move to 855. So trend show. Are you using a system that you created or that you purchased that sees all that order flow information, or is it just like Bookmap or something? Because I know a lot of people come in and say they see like single prints and stuff like that, and it's like, dang, what are y'all guys using to see this? Yeah, it's too bullish to sell on Bitcoin now too. Hmm. Oh, the session volume profile. Is that like for? Are you using that for Bookmap, Trading View? Ah, shit! Look at that. It came in and they sold this damn thing. I will give these pivot points. I mean, these pivot points have definitely held true. We do see a lot of people buying and selling off of these pivot points. Trading View. Hmm. Yeah, I recently found out that that TradingView has candles or what is it called? Footprint charts now, which is interesting. They actually got footprint charts over there at TradingView. I mean, that wouldn't make it. I mean, would it? Could it? Nice. Let's see what they do here at 885 at that breaker structure to the downside. Let's see what they do. I think that's always going to be the case, man. Might as well just get used to that, especially how I trade. That's always going to be the freaking case. I bet people are probably piling into NVIDIA 140 calls. I'm going to look at those real quick. Not financial advice. All right, so let's look at the 0 DTEs for 142 calls. Huh. So the 142 calls are 2 cents right now. Huh. But, mm, hmm. You know what? I'm going to buy 141 calls for 3 cents, for $3. And buy a $4 lottery ticket. I mean, if we see a big move up, which I mean, I doubt, but who knows, man? It's only a $3 ticket. I probably should actually look for next week actually and see how much, because I mean, where can we get back up to? Like 150 on Nvidia? Ah, shit. I kind of figured that they was gonna come back in right there. Damn. Kind of figured that they was gonna come back right here. All right. So I mean, as long as this support level holds, then we should see higher prices. If we see a break below this, then my position is done. Most likely is done. Huh. Huh. So apparently I set a sell limit on the Nasdaq and I didn't know I did. And I was up about $600. I actually just took the profits. I wonder if I'm going to regret that decision. But apparently I must have set like a sell limit at 926 probably a couple of days ago when I was talking about it. And I guess I forgot that I set it. And I looked at my U Profit account and saw I was up $600. I was like, damn, hold on, why am I up $600 for? Hmm. Yeah, if you can get a break above this, hmm, yeah, because they might just, I would hate to close this position. So I'm kind of, so right now I'm managing an ES trade. All right, I guess I'll just show you guys. So right now I'm managing this ES trade that I took in my funded EU profit account. And I mean, I got my target at 39. It does look like the market does want to continue to go up. My only concern, what I want to see is for them to break out above this area right here. This is where I want them to just to break out at, because if we see a rejection right here, mm, you know what? I guess what I'll do is I'll leave my stop underneath the 50 EMA. Mm. I'll just keep a close eye on this. I'll keep a close eye on how they react here at this level. Mm. Nah, I'll just take it. I'm not okay. I'm gonna just take it. All right, I'll just take it. All right, so we can just focus solely on this. So I'm not looking back and forth. I'll just trade this. I'm good. I'm good with that. All right. All right. So we got the price at break above 885. My stop should be moving up in 10 more points. 10 more points. I think my stop moves up. So I already took the profits anyway. I didn't want to manage both that and this at the same time. I already closed it, unfortunately. And I think that is going to probably go to my target. But I'm gonna take that Nasdaq trade and just be happy for today, because I forgot that I even placed that trade. To be completely honest, forgot I placed it. So I was up $600 in that play. I took $430 from that play. So I'm up $1,000 in the funded account. So I'm not gonna complain about that. He says the POC rotating from here is exactly at value area high. So that is at 900. Mm. Yeah, I think we probably see, there goes that second target. There we go, baby. We got 2 down, 4 to go. $8.75. Yep, green is green. Yep. Probably take one more off on this. Okay, I'll take one more profit, so I got 3. Place these. Move that stop up into profit, and we're good. We're good for today. We made the money. We made money last night, and we came back and we made some more money in the AM. That's what we're talking about, baby. And give myself what, 20 points. I mean, we'll see. If I see a break above that, I'll probably take off. I don't want to trail. I don't want to trail this. Don't want to trail it. All right, so I do want to see what the ES does at this area, because I mean the Nasdaq, it'll make you feel like it can go forever, but we know the ES won't. All right, so the ES, at least the buyers have a lot of work ahead of them, because we got a double top, we got a rejection, and now price is trading right back into that area where we saw it. So if they trade above 33 and hold, we can definitely see higher prices here on the ES, because it looks like here on this footprint chart, 32.75, 33, that's where the sellers were at. And you can see all the trap buyers above these levels right here. So if we see a rejection from there, then we know. If we see price breaks above and hold, then we're definitely going higher. Seeing trap sellers is a beautiful thing when you're in a long position. It's a beautiful thing to see trap sellers. Beautiful thing. I don't know why the hell I wasn't using footprint charts before. Like, what the hell? All right, here's a moment of truth for the ES right here. It's a moment of truth. They got to hold this. Buyers got to hold. They got to hold. They got to hold this. They got to hold. Okay. All right, I got 2 left. We can trail this even more now. Got 2 left. I probably might even take off. We'll see. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. This thing looks like it wants to explode. We'll see what happens at R4. Actually, I'll put a target here at R4. Or probably front run that a little bit. We'll see what happens at R4. Because we did get that massive move down. So this could be a head, and this could potentially be a right shoulder. So I do want to be mindful about where I'm at on the chart. We could see a double top here. That's why I kind of want to, like, as soon as this thing front runs it, I'll probably move my stop up. Yeah, I don't want to do this. I don't even know why I keep trying. I don't even know why I keep doing this. Like, I don't know why. Hmm. All right, so we got one to run. I'm gonna leave my stop where it's at. I'm gonna let this one run and see where the market wants to run to. Anything below this low right here, I feel that we'll see a reversal. So, um, kind of going back to the ES. Yeah, the ES is at an area where, I mean, if they don't break this, we're going to see a move to the downside. Mm. Mm. All right, the buyer's going to have to come up here. So it looks like what 34.25 is a level where they got to hold, because it seems like the bears or the bulls are stacking up. We got some trap buyers up here. We don't want to see that. We got trap buyers up here. All right. This right here tells me that if they lose this, then this could go down. So I'm going to move my stop underneath this low, because there's nothing but sell stops underneath this low. I mean, we might get a retest of 885 and they might hold it, but I'm just going to just put my stop underneath this low and just be happy with the profits today, because we made money today. Looks like I should have held on to my ES long, apparently. I have my target at 39.25. So we'll see if it gets hit. I want to see how this candle closes. I want to see how it closes. All right. All right, I'm going to put my stop underneath that low right there. All right, moment of truth. Let's see what they do here at R4. We got our stop locked at 927.50. I mean, if it keeps going, it keeps going. If I get stopped out, at least I got, bulk of this move up 96, 95 points. Yeah, it looks like I should have just kept that ES trade open. Yo, congratulations, gain weight. I should have kept it open. I definitely fumbled on that one. Yep, I fumbled on that one. Got scared. All right, let's see what they do here. I'll move my stop up. So I left $400 on the table with that one. Not, I'll leave my stop where it's at. Kind of want a higher candle. I want to see how this one closes. I'll leave my stop where it's at. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. Oh, give it. Oh, no. Oh, no. 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 No, that's not fair. It's not fair. Give my target. Mm, give me my target. Give me my target. Give me my target. All right. Good. Cool. Good trade. Good trade. Good freaking trade, man. Good trade. Good trade. Good trade. Good trade. Good trade. Good trade. I got good trade. Mm. Nah, it's still Lambo Olympic. Still Lambo liquidation. Nah, I listen to, like I said, I listen. I listen. It's just I ain't gonna listen in the moment, but I will take what you guys say and use it in the future. I should have listened to gain weight and kept it at 40 instead of closing it. Because I mean, I have my target right here on the ES at 39.25, and obviously it's at 42. So I left $400 on the table. I'm I'm not gonna cry about it. I'm crying about it, but I'm not gonna, revenge trade about it. Not gonna revenge trade. So, dude, well, yeah, I was actually thinking about that. I was like, where the hell is Smith at? Like, where's he at? I'll send him a text to see if he's all right. He might be tied up with his daughter or something. But man, that was a good trade, man. We brought this account back. We brought this account back from the dead. From the dead. That shit was about to die. We brought that shit back. Um, yeah, Ivan. I would. That's exactly what I would start doing. Look at it from your phone before you try to jump in, because remember, today is another half day. You don't want to jump into something, be on the wrong side, and you only got about what, 3 hours, 4 hours, three, to try to make back what you lost, if that's the case. It does look like the Nasdaq want to go back up to 21K, because that it seems like there's a lot of exit liquidity there. Yeah. Yeah, because I mean, shit, we've done it, and I ain't gonna lie, man. That's some deep, dark emotions to overcome. So you can sit back and laugh at it at a later date. But those are some deep, dark emotions, because you start questioning, like, damn, like, what are you doing this for? At least for me, like with that story I told you last night when I had the payout secured, and I foolishly convinced myself to jump back in for some more. Oh man, I really had to look at myself in the mirror after that day and was like, dude, what the fuck? Like, what the fuck? You could have just bought a new account to gamble. You gambled in the the payout secured. Oh man. And the crazy thing is that I don't even think I learned my lesson. I think I mean, I don't think that I've gotten so bad to the point to where if I had a payout locked in, that I went back in, but I have done something crazy, because I mean, like originally it just kind of went against my way of trading, like that, making the minimum amount that you need to make Like when Top Step first had that, I think what it was like a 30%, whatever it was before. I traded past that thing for whatever reason. It made no sense. But then I just wanted to trade, so I traded past it and had to trade an extra day because of it. So I was like, well, why'd you do that? It was just an impulse. Yep. Oh, you've done that too? Yeah, like, dude, I don't know. Dude, I really don't know what the hell. Like, it really makes you think, like, dude, am I the only person in here? Am I the only person in here? Is there like a demon in there or an entity? Or like, why are you going against success? Like, why are you doing that? Why are you trying to convince me to do something that I'm not supposed to do to be successful? Like, what's up with that? You really got to look in the mirror and be like, damn, like, hmm. Hmm. But we'll see. I'm actually going to take this in the sim though. Oh shit. Oh shit. What the fuck? Oh, what? I had a position in the sim? No way. No way. Uh, no way. So I had positions all over the freaking place apparently that I probably set and forgot about it. Yo, that's crazy. Yo, that's crazy. Uh, no, this is a different position I took. I took profits on that position last night. Ivan. Yeah, because I remember we was in uh or maybe I did set this same position in the sim last night. You're probably right. Yeah, you're probably right about that, actually. Yeah, you're probably right. This is probably yeah, I probably had this place in the sim and then I took it in my real account as well. Mm. So I wonder if this is going to be the end of the ride right here because this is definitely the level that the Nasdaq going to have to get over. Yeah, we can see that there was a lot of resistance at 670, 670. Prices at 670. Hmm. So we'll see. I mean, we got it's at resistance on the ES as well. Let's actually look at the footprint chart real quick and see what's going on. See if there's any trap buyers. Hmm. Looks like they got really aggressive here at 640. Sellers got really aggressive at 640. They got really aggressive at 638. So the sellers are getting aggressive up here. Let's look at the DOM. Yeah, you can see that there's a whole wall of selling. And they're getting really aggressive up here. Yeah. Okay. So you got trap buyers now. Looks like 641 is going to probably be the level that they're going to probably want to hold. Let's see what they do at 641. Because they've been aggressively selling in this area. All right, there it goes, I guess. Hmm. Wow, look at that, dude. Look at that. That is so amazing. It's so amazing. Look at that. Look how many times it tested this level right here and is getting rejected from that level right there. Look at that. Huh. Look at that. Wow. I know y'all guys saw that. Dude, if y'all went short literally right here at 41, look how much it would be up. Like, look at that. That is so interesting. Yep, that is interesting. Huh. Hmm. All right, so let's see if they do it again. Wow. Wow. Okay. All right. So I'm definitely going to dedicate my weekend to understand these footprint charts because I mean we don't know if the Bears are ultimately going to be successful here, but the one thing is for certain, you can see that the Bears are coming in here at this 4150 level, and price is obviously reacting at this level. So 4150 is where the Bears are really trying to get in short. You got trap buyers right here, up here at 4350. You got all this trap buyers above that level. Yeah, Smith must be tied up because he hasn't responded or anything. So he must be tied up. Okay. Wow. Huh. Okay. Hmm. Yeah, it seems like the sellers are getting really aggressive underneath that level. We're getting really aggressive. All right, there it goes. There she blows. Man, that is so interesting. That is so interesting. You know what? That is interesting. If you got in short around 41.50, you barely went into drawdown and you got at least, what is that, a 4 point move right there? It got down to 38, about a 3 point move. That's so interesting. And now it looks like now they're trying to sell this. So let's see what they do here at 40. But they might come back. Let's look and see where they could potentially come back in at, because there's a lot of buy orders. There's a lot of support probably at 33, 33. Probably they're gonna come in and buy the retest of that breakout. So it does look like 33 might be that level where the bulls might come back in this. Yeah, somewhere around this area right here. He got some trap sellers right here at 35, 34. Yeah, I'm going to be looking at that level. Yeah, Bitcoin is damn. Yeah, look at that, dude. Bitcoin literally blew past all that. Shit looks like Bitcoin's a bull's market now. And let's look at Bitcoin. Okay. We don't want to get euphoric, but it does look like, yeah, Bitcoin's definitely is going to have to get over 98.7. It looks like, yeah, because there's double tops. Like, don't ever try to go against a double top on Bitcoin, because you will always get clapped. But it looks like as soon as this market double topped here, we're starting to see some slight selling. And this is an hourly chart too. Okay. So it does look like there's support here, right here at 97.8. So let's see what happens when price gets down to here. The 200 EMA is at 97.5, around that area, which is where that breaker structure happened the first time. So we could potentially see price come back down to 97.5. And most likely buyers will try to come in and sell that or buy that, but that's not financial advice or nothing. Mm. Hmm. Wow. Isn't that interesting? Okay. Isn't that interesting? Isn't that interesting? All right. Okay. So yeah, we are starting to see some slight selling here on Bitcoin. Don't ever trade against a double top on Bitcoin. You will lose every time. You will lose every time, man. She does not play about her double tops. Um, I mean, we'll see what she does here. But I would wait for the 7.5 entry if I'm thinking about long in Bitcoin. She don't play about her double top. She don't play about them. Yeah, don't do that, bro. Don't do that. Because you say you don't like it no more? Yeah, dude, gain weight. This is definitely going to be a hard level for the Bulls to get over, and I think they're going to exhaust themselves here. I don't think it will be a reversal. I just think it'll be an exhaustion, and they probably might reload down here at this retest of this breaker structure at 885, around this area where the 200 and VWAP is. If they can't seem to push past that, because if they don't, then it's highly likely we do see that drop. And Bitcoin is still trucking down. So I'll come back and see what happens when I look at over and see what happens at 97.5. Yeah, we'll see what happens at 97.5. We'll see. Well, gain weight. Hey, keep that liquidity in the market, man, so everybody else can make money too. Stop taking profits. Yeah. Yeah, it's looking tough for the Bulls here, man. It's definitely looking tough. This area is looking like it's resistance. This looking like a top. This looking like a lower high. We got lower lows coming in. So we'll see. We'll see if the Bulls can hold this. If they can, we can definitely come back up into this range. If they can't, then the next opportunity to go long might be here at 885. Right here where the Bulls broke structure to the upside. Hold on, guys. Let me check on my daughter real quick. Okay.
Connection lost.
Hmm. I just saw your message game weight. Looks like my stop survived. I guess we'll see what happens. Oh no, is price literally frozen? Is it frozen or is that just my connection? Okay, I might my connection probably got. Mm, okay. Mm. I think my connection might have gotten lost. I know price ain't. I know price can't be sitting here. Okay. Yeah, my. I don't know what's been going on with my connection for whatever reason. It's been connecting and disconnecting, and I don't understand why. Hmm. Okay. Okay. Come on, boo. Come here. Come on. Mm. Come on. Come on. Come on. Okay. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with the charts right now. That's frustrating. That's definitely frustrating. Uh, yeah, I don't know what's going on with the charts. I've lost my data connection. Obviously, I'm not gonna lie though. That does look like a short. That does look like a short. I'm probably gonna take it, man. Hmm. Hmm. Let me see. Should I? Hmm. Hold on. Is this a? Hold on. What the hell is this? Uh, Mm. He says a draw. I'll feel more comfortable once we get underneath this 50 EMA here. I would definitely get more comfortable. But this is definitely a short. The question is, how long will it be a short? That's the real question. How long will it be one? Definitely seeing the sellers come in. You definitely got a double top here. Question is, will they buy it off the 50 EMA and hurt my feelings? That's the question. It's looking like they're doing it, but as long as price can get under the 50 EMA, I'm good. It would have been nice to have obviously the short all the way up here at 45. All right, so we're getting all this red and we ain't getting no follow through. Like, what's up with that? Mm. I know better than to take this on ES, thinking that they're gonna follow through. If anything, I should have took it on the Nasdaq if I wanted to get a quick short in. That's where I should have took it. I mean, not gonna take it in both. Okay. All right. So, am I about to feel the pain, or will I get some gain? That's the question. What I don't want to happen Because I mean, it does look like, I mean, if it bounces off the 50, then I'm wrong here. What I don't want this to be is an uptrend. That's what I don't want. Obviously, I'm short. I don't want this to be like a little trend, which is kind of looking like it is. Hmm. The question is, am I being shown mercy here? That's the real question. Am I being shown mercy? Hmm. Like 78. I risked $150 in this trade. That's kind of why I hate this, man. Like, where are my tick charts, man? Oh, what the hell? All right, that hurt my feelings, but that hurt my feelings. Yeah, so it looks like it does kind of want to get to the top of this trend channel, apparently. That was my concern. I thought that it was going to short this damn thing, but of course not. Of course not. Of course not. Mm. So where's price at? 955. So price is like right here. Mm. Where am I targeting? 978. Mm. Shit, looks like I should have got out of that. Of course, my break even, of course. Of course. Are y'all gonna push this bull or what? Push it, buy the dip. Push it, buy the dip. Okay, man. All right. Okay. So it seems like I may have gotten in obviously at a in the middle of the chart, obviously. I see that now. Because it's the bulls and the bears are battling right here. And the Nasdaq was very merciful in giving me break even. But you know that's not what I want. Okay. All right. So this is the last time. If this doesn't break out, then I'm gonna get out. I mean, where can this thing go? That's the question. I mean, does it come back to this high right here at 68? Or do we go above that? That's the question. You said they're asking for handouts. They said bulls are no. I guess, well, if the thing with Bookmap chat thinks that we should short, then I'm on the right side of the market. I'm on the right side then. They talking about shorting. I see you gain weight. I see you gain weight. Antagonizing the chat. Yeah, if the market will give me my target, I will be so happy. So when the chat finally turns long, then I should go short. Inverse the think with Bookmap chat. The Bookmap chat. Hmm. Hmm. You said head and shoulders formation? Mm. Mm. Actually, let me look at that on the chart because I mean, 78 would be right here. That's where 78 would be. Mm. Yeah, keep trying to short this, Bears. Keep giving up them buy stops. Keep giving up them buy stops. Keep giving them buy stops up. Ah, man. Damn. Okay. Damn. God damn it. Bulls. Damn. Mm. Oh my God. All right. Mm. Damn. Damn. All right. It's always back to the break even, man. What's up with that? It's always back to the break even. Mm. Yeah, and Alfred, I saw that. Hopefully, what I really wanted was I was hoping for price to get above 975, and I was gonna move my stop up. But obviously that didn't happen. It got to only 973. I just didn't want to say nothing because the charts be listening. The charts be listening. You tell it your plan, and then it front runs it. But I guess it must have read my mind. Yeah, I was waiting for 75 to move my stop up. But now that it bounced, I can probably get up here. It can probably get up here. We just needed the buy stop from the bears with that candle. There is dude, there is such aggressive buying on this. There is so much aggressive buying. Dude, honestly, I wouldn't be surprised at this point. I guess like what everybody was saying, the buyers wants to get the 21K before the end of the week. Like I said, today's the last day of the last trading day of November. People are going to want to make their monthly quotas today. With these institutions. Looks like I kind of. All right. Looks like the Nasdaq is gonna make me wait. She's gonna make me wait for it, apparently. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Keep on pushing. Shit, I ain't even gonna get in your way. Keep on pushing. Hold on, why am I only in 7 contracts? Yo, what the fuck, man? Okay, whatever, man. I thought I was in 9. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Run them stops. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about, baby. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Run them stops. All right, cool. I'm done for today. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. Cool. I think I made $1,100 in that move. Yep, $1,100 for today, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's fucking go, baby. That's what I'm talking about. I'm done. I'm done. I'm closing the charts. I'm closing the charts, baby. I'm closing the charts. Man, I could have got some more money. Shit. Thing's still going. Still going. Still going. Nah, I'm closing the charts. I'm done. All right, guys. I'm in the stream here. I'm gonna get off these charts. I'm gonna close down Ninja Trader after this, so I don't go back in and give back all the gains that I had today. Great trading day. I do really appreciate the therapy session. I'm gonna call that the intervention that we had yesterday. I did take a lot from it. I did some internal thinking, obviously, and moving forward, adjusting the strategy to reflect what we talked about yesterday. So, yeah, appreciate it. And with that said, everybody, have a good weekend. We'll come back next week, make more money. Peace out.